Good morning, everyone. I am Bini, Assistant Professor in CSE Department working in Emmanuel Arsa JJ College of Engineering. Today, I am going to discuss about the V's of Big Data and its types. So first, we should know about the word Big Data, right? Everyone is aware of the word Big Data. Big data is a complex data, or it means a huge amount of data that is created every second from different sources like social media, mobile phones, sensors, and website. This data is too large and complex for normal databases or tools to handle. Now, let's see some example for big data. The first one is the social media. Social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook generate terabytes of data every day. Normally, what people are doing are people upload photos, videos, and then they will like and comment, right? So, from this data, companies understand what users like, when they are active, and what trends are popular. So let's consider if 1 million people start liking posts about electric cars, companies like Tesla can use this data to plan marketing strategies, right? So the next example is online shopping, that is e-commerce. Websites like Amazon or Flipkart collect data on what users search for, what product they buy, what reviews they give. Now we are going to discuss about the V's of big data. There are 5 V's of big data: volume, velocity, variety, value and veracity. First we are going to discuss about the volume. The volume means sheer amount of data being generated, that is huge amount of data being generated. This data can come from a wide variety of sources including social media, IoT devices, transaction logs and business system. Due to the huge volume of data, managing and storing this massive amount of data is one of the main challenges of big data. Let's move on to the next topic, velocity. Velocity means speed at which data is generated, processed and analyzed. Data from sensors, online transactions or social media can be generated in real time or at very high speeds. Analyzing this fast flowing data is critical to making timely decisions. The next topic is variety. Data comes in many forms such as structured, semi-structured and unstructured. So example of structured is databases. The example for semi-structured we can consider XML, and for unstructured text, images and videos are the example for unstructured. Big data tools must be able to manage and process this diverse set of data formats. Next one is veracity. Veracity is the uncertainty of data, that is quality or trustworthiness of the data. With vast amount of data coming from diverse sources, ensuring its accuracy and relevance can be a challenge. The next one is the value. Value involves extracting meaningful and useful insights from big data. This might be the ultimate goal in big data. Data by itself doesn't add value. It needs to be processed, analyzed and interpreted. Now we can move on to the next topic, the types of big data. There are 3 types in big data: structured data, semi-structured data and unstructured data. First we can discuss about the structured data. Structured data is the data that fits neatly into a databases. The next one is the semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is the data that doesn't follow a strict format but still has some structure, such as XML, JSON or log files involved in the semi-structured data. The next one is the unstructured data. The unstructured data involves data that doesn't have a predefined structure such as text, images, video, audio and social media posts. In today's session, we have discussed about the introduction of big data, some examples in big data, the V's of big data and also types of big data. I hope you understand the concept clearly. Thanks for watching.